definitely have to drive with it. What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and before we get into the video and what's in this box, I'm gonna go ahead and give a huge shout out to my guy Jackson. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel and his page and everything in the description. He hit me up on Instagram and told me that he just had a shifter laying around and that he would send it to me if I wanted it. He ended up sending us out a UPR Short Throw Shifter, and huge shout out to him, man. He didn't have to do this, but he did. So thank you very much, man, Jackson. Super clutch, brother. This is super awesome. So that's what we're gonna get into today. We're gonna install this new short throw shifter and see how much of a difference it makes. As y'all may have heard in previous videos, third gear is a pain in the butt. Anytime I'm going from second to third, you've got to hit third or you're gonna get locked out. It's super annoying. So hopefully this cleans it up, and then maybe one day in the future we'll be able to compare to MGW. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in once again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. The subscriber count is shooting up and we're on the way to 1,000. So I appreciate everything. Y'all be sure to comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And with that being said, let's jump into today's video. All right, before we jump into it, first thing you're gonna need is a 8mm, a 10mm, and a 13mm socket. You're gonna have a razor blade for the old gasket, a flathead screwdriver to pry off the old shifter, and then you're gonna want some gasket maker and then a blue thread locker. First thing you wanna do is go ahead and take this off right here, and you're gonna push forward, and be careful not to break the pins in here, because like that. There we go. I'm actually going to be using this this old knob because I don't have a new one. Disconnect that, and just like that, she's out of there. You're going to want to get your 8mm and get out the way. Loosen these up. Alright, well, that was the most time-consuming process I've ever been through, other than the DMV. Alright, that right there. Alright, I believe we've come to the conclusion that this is a Steeda short throw shifter. I've never noticed this, but it says triaxle on the side, so. Alright. We just went through the ringer trying to get this off, and we finally got it. We popped the seal on this gasket. So let's get this out of here. Alright. That right there, we do need that. There we go. First things first, let's go ahead and use this razor right here. Now let's gasket off. I just got the gasket cleaned off. With the shifter, how I did it was I just used the handle and prod it. Now we're gonna take our thread locker and gasket maker. We're going to put it right here on the outside. Bruh. Oh my gosh. And it was that simple, just that easy. Wow, that fits beautifully. First bolt right here. All right. Now it's time to tighten them. Make sure you do this in a cross pattern. It's always good. All right, now we want to take this right here. Let's bolt back here. Bring it closer to the shifter. All right, now it's hitting it. It's right there on it. We're gonna back it up just a little bit. Okay, that one's good back there. All right, now that we got that done, we can now do a fun part and install our stick. Let's see. It's definitely going like that, chat. Definitely going like that, chat. All right. We got that all done right there. Everything's secured. Now it's just time to plug this thing back in. Let's get her sat back on there. All right, she's in place. Let's throw the shifter back on. I definitely have to drive with it. It feels softer. I'll say that. It definitely feels softer. She is all done. I think I'm gonna get it cleaned up and then we'll probably test drive it tomorrow since it's super dark out. Yeah, so we'll test drive it tomorrow. So we'll see you guys then. All right, what's up, everyone? It's the next morning. I'm gonna try to get y'all a little bit of footage today. So far what I noticed is it's a little bit looser. It's not as springy within neutral. Second to third feels pretty good. I think the bolt that's screwed to keep it from going too far helps. But other than that, I mean, it feels good. I don't think it's any shorter throw than the Steeda. As of right now, I think I still prefer the Steeda a little bit just because that's what I'm used to. But it's not bad. Like if I had this, I would not be upset. Like, it's a good shifter. I think it's just gonna take a little bit to get used to. It definitely feels a lot different, but it's still good throws. Yeah, not bad. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be all for today's video. That GoPro really does a number to my hair. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. If y'all enjoy install videos like this, be sure to smash the like button. I got a lot more coming soon. This video should be coming out right before Christmas, so I hope y'all have a blessed and Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for the support once again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.
a spaceship. Take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.